going to test ride the BMW F450 GS. Due to the combination of the ERC, the quick shifter and the auto blipper, over the G310 GS, I would say it is a 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. It will take some getting used to. Be mindful of the ride height though. I'm heading to Pratap Motorrad now. Already गर्मी हो गई है. Oh, by the way, this video is not going to be a spec readout. Plenty of those already. Just practical observations as a rider coming from a BMW G310 GS. I wanted to compare what the power actually feels like on the F450. इस कट को कर दिया गया है बंद, और ये ऐसा जगह था यहाँ पर आए दिन एक्सीडेंट होते थे. इट वॉज अ बिग होल्ड अप ऑल्सो in terms of traffic, in terms of the red light holding up traffic. जैसे ही गाड़ी हुई धीमे, बहने लगे पसीने. चलो अब जल्दी से पहुंचाता हूँ आपको BMW मोटरराड. We are at Pratap Motorrad at Jaipur. Say hi to Bhumika. We are going to test ride the BMW F450 GS. This amazing beauty. Looking forward to riding it. क्लच दबाने की आदत धीरे धीरे जाएगी. सो दिस इज़ द ERC वेरिएंट. आई एम इन फर्स्ट गियर. एज सून एज दिस क्रॉसेस 2700 RPM वी विल स्टार्ट मूविंग. देयर आफ्टर यू कैन जस्ट शिफ्ट विदाउट क्लच. ड्यू टू द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द ERC, द क्विक शिफ्टर एंड द ऑटो ब्लिपर, आई हैव हैड नो इश्यूज इन दिस डेमो व्हीकल with either downshifts or upshifts. Pulling power is quite nice. मतलब over the G310 GS, I would say it feels like a huge step up. See, so we stop here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Anytime you are not in the right gear, it will tell you to shift down. As you can see, this is where it would be stalling if it didn't have ERC. It showed recommendation select lower gear. In practice, this definitely feels like something that you could get used to. Standing grip is quite nice. Cruise like a rocket. I'm not sure, but it seems slender from here, and that slenderness helps you grip the bike better. When riding off-road, that will be quite helpful. And the brake bite power, I've used combined braking, both front and rear together, and definitely feel like it is adequate according to the power of the bike itself. See, yeah, quite nice. And the downshifts as well, shifted from 5th to 2nd and without any problems. And the same for upshifts. Quite nice, I would say. Exceeded my expectations, at least coming from riding 310 GS for the past 3 years almost. It will take some getting used to. But yeah, if you ride this bike and then move to others, that will be something that will take even more getting used to. Be mindful of the ride height though. I'm 5'8", and even with Alpine Stars, I'm kind of in a tiptoe. I've been riding bikes for very long, so doesn't bother me as much, but definitely something to be cautious about. There was some talk about some lag, but don't really feel it. Maybe that's people not being able to get used to it. Personally, I don't feel that lag. Really enjoyed riding this. Let's continue this when I'm back on my bike. And now we are back on our G310 GS. There's a marked difference in power in both the bikes. It's not just about the figures sometimes. It's about actually feeling it when you ride. 1.5 गुना पावर फिगर्स के हिसाब से होना और 1.5 गुना पावर एक्चुअली फील होना, उन दोनों में अंतर है. अनलोडेड G310 GS मुझे कभी ऐसे अंडर पावर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी फील नहीं हुआ, बट नाउ आफ्टर राइडिंग डेफिनेटली. ब्रेक के बाइट में भी अंतर है. ऑफ कोर्स न्यू बाइक वर्सेस ओल्ड बाइक. बवाल ट्रैफिक ऑफ जयपुर. इवन आई टेल यू व्हाट, जितना पुलिंग ये 94 पे कर रही है, उतना पुलिंग वो आई थिंक 110-20 पे करती है. आई कैन लिटरली फील दैट. बाकी तो टेक्नोलॉजिकली देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस, अपग्रेड्स सो टू से. बट माई पॉइंट वॉज व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू कंपेयर दीज टू, the main thing that I was looking for is the raw engine power that you can sense when you're riding. That ways, yes. Am I satisfied? 100%. ओ अभी तो भैया घर चले जाते, जैसे घुस रहे थे भैया ब्लाइंड स्पॉट में. क्या कर रहे हैं भाई. Anyway, so hope you like this review. Drop me a like on this video and subscribe for more such content. If you have any questions regarding the F450 GS, let me know in the comments. Would be happy to answer if I can. By the way, what did you like or not like about this bike? Let's talk. See you in the next one. Bye bye.